Plastic, 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 plastic. Everything has been reduced to just iron and plastic. Whatever you see these days, everything made of plastic and iron is easily available everywhere. But today I am going to make something using natural wood, which some people might not like, but I believe more in natural things here, and I prefer them. So, not much effort is needed here, and this wood is very soft. As you can see, I am cutting everything using just a kitchen knife. You must have often seen this kind of wood kept in hardware stores or many other shops. So, you all know that frames have disappeared in today's time. The wooden frames we used to get have been replaced by fiber, plastic, and who knows what other materials. So here, I am trying to make something using this wood. I don't know how it will look, but we will see what the final result is like. So here are the sizes. It's not mandatory, but if you want to try it too, it would be better to keep these sizes because usually phone sizes are quite similar. So this is the size. I have already shown it to you myself. So I have cut 4 pieces here, and I will cut 2 more pieces here. This size is a bit small, so I would like to add a little design here. This is optional. You can make it directly if you want. And it is not necessary that it can only be made from this kind of purchased wood. If we want, we can select thin sticks from the forest and make it this way too. After that, I have taken sandpaper here so that I can rub it like this to make it beautiful and smooth. So I have sanded it down like this. You can see, you must be getting an idea of the wood's quality. But it's not like this wood is too weak either. So you can see it has become quite nice and smooth. And let's start the next process now because this is a DIY that can be made in very little time. And if you want, you can try this instead of buying one. I also have a purchase stand, but I am going to use this one, and it can be used in many ways. So let's go. I have quickly smoothed all of them, and I am applying a bit of sketch like this here. This was just for time pass. It's not something necessary. So I have done this time pass on both sides, and now I am going to do another time pass. This is optional, not necessary. Any work should be made a little fun so that one enjoys doing it. So the little design I made here, I have lightly burned it with a lighter to give it a beautiful texture and to highlight it. So everything is complete here now. I will need some nails here. As you can see, thin nails like these are required. And setting it up like this, I am inserting the nails into it like this. I have used a mat underneath so that it doesn't make noise. And after that, I hammered it, and the nail went inside very easily and got fixed very well. I thought it would split, but it didn't. To be honest, this wood is quite excellent. After that, we will attach the top side in this manner. Looking at it now, it might seem like a toy, but its real purpose will be revealed soon, that it is not a toy but something else. But yes, calling it a toy isn't that bad either. If we attach 4 tires, it will become a very cute toy. In childhood, such toys used to be popular, and we have played with them in our childhood too. Do comment and tell me who all have played with such toys. So here, right now, I am not making a toy, I am making something else. By something else, you guys already know what I am making. So I have attached the stick like this. The benefit of attaching this is that we can record our things in 3 sizes. We can do it from the front like this, and from the back side as well. We can capture close-ups with great clarity because the closer the phone is, the better things are captured. So for my DIY purpose, this is quite excellent because when creating miniature items, having the phone positioned lower and in front records very well. So this is perfect for me, and I will definitely shoot the next video with this and show you guys how things have been captured with it. So now the phone stand is completely ready here. In the next video, you will definitely see the quality of the video recorded by it. So, how did you like today's video? Do let me know in the comments. I will be eagerly waiting for comments. So, see you in the next video with something new. Until then, bye-bye.